Norway has one of the highest penetration of internet users. 98% of Norwegians are connected to the public internet, whereas the number for the United Kingdom is 92%, United States is 89%, and for Australia it's only 85%. So it may come as no surprise that the latest Azure region is, ta-da, Norway! Now this time on Azure This Week, there's a new Azure region which opened in Norway. Azure Monitor now supports Red Hat OpenShift, and new fractional NV v4 virtual machines are in preview. You're watching Azure This Week, the show.
Hey Cloud Gurus, please check out the GCP Professional Data Engineer course just released by Tim Scholes, me, and Tim Berry, not me.
Are you done?
I'm not saying it's better than Azure, but
Are you done?
You may want to check it out.
Jeez, I forgot. God, some people. This week, yet another region opened for Azure. It's like they have an assembly line for data centers just spitting them out every few weeks. In fact, it was 2 regions, as this week Norway East and Norway West went live. So why Norway, you might ask? A country that has only 5 million people, lots of beautiful but uninhabitable scenery, and a strange affection for jellied fish. Norway is awfully close to the rest of Europe, and it's 800 million plus people. They have great internet connection and they run a tight ship. Stuff in Norway just works. Initially, most Azure cloud services will be available, and in 2020, the Norway regions will also get Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform. Azure Red Hat OpenShift is an extension to Kubernetes. It is jointly engineered, operated, and supported by Red Hat and Microsoft to provide an integrated support experience, including image registry, storage management, networking solutions, and logging and monitoring tools. Azure Monitor for Containers is designed to monitor the performance of workloads deployed on Kubernetes clusters hosted on Azure Kubernetes Services or self-managed Kubernetes clusters hosted on Azure Stack. The two now work together. Monitor Azure Red Hat OpenShift Kubernetes clusters with Azure Monitor. Quite the mouthful. This new service is currently in preview and will give container administrators a more centralized way to keep an eye on the health of their systems. Finally, Azure is continuing the trend of expanding on their vast catalog of virtual machine types and sizes. This week, the NV v4 VMs are released in preview. These machines have unprecedented GPU resourcing flexibility, as Microsoft puts it. Basically, you can provision a VM with a part of a GPU, such as an eighth. NV v4 virtual machines support up to 32 virtual CPUs, 112 gigabytes of RAM, and 16 gigabytes of GPU memory, or part thereof, obviously. No more Norwegian Kubernetes virtual machine DPUs for this week. As we say on the A Cloud Guru team, when you constantly get confused for being Norwegian and eating jellied fish dipped in lye, seek and you shall cloud. So see you next week and keep being jellied, Cloud Gurus. Awesome, be awesome.